Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a Fortnite character. This time we're gonna be drawing the very cool looking tuna fish. So here's my full pencil sketch, sped up, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this very cool looking tuna fish, and yet this is another variation of fish sticks, and which is a very cool looking skin. Alright, so to begin, we're going to draw in the this top line right here first. Okay, so we're just going to come across. So that's going to be the width of the head, and we can go ahead and finish up the hat. Let's just go up so that we have one solid piece right here first. Okay, so once you have that, we can draw in just one little bump here. Now on each side, just kind of go up, add a little angle, leave some space in the middle, and then we can finish up this hat here. Okay, just close everything off. All right, and then now we can draw in the eyes. So right on the corner right here, we're just kind of drawing kind of like an egg shape. So just come down, round this out. Okay, same thing here. So we come down. I know it looks very strange right now, but we'll fill in all the details. All right, so that's gonna be his eyeball. Now we're gonna finish up the shape of the face. So just come down right here on the bottom, which is gonna curve all the way around. All right, and then for the details right here, on the inside here, just draw one more curve, exactly the same. Just curve right to the corner. And then now we can add in the, finish up the eyeball, and this is just gonna be like a little Pac-Man shape here. So right in the middle, just add a little angle like this first. And then now we're gonna curve all the way around. So pretty much an egg shape. And then we can shade that in. Okay, so right in the middle of this, just one little angle. Curve, let's go all the way around. Okay, and then now for the lips. Okay, so right here, just gonna draw like a little bracket on each side. And now on the bottom, just follow the curve on the bottom, just round it out. And then this part's gonna dip down. Okay, and just close everything off. And now on the inside, this one's easy, right? Just one curve. And I'll make it a little bit thicker. All right, and then for the hat right here on the bottom, this one's easy. All right, so let's go ahead and draw in the body. So the body is very cartoony. All right, so let's draw in the little scarf here first. So just come down. You can add in a couple lines here for the folds. And then now for the body, just come back up here. Just kind of pinch it in, come back out, and then close it off. So this is gonna be the top of its belt. And then for his belt, we'll just add one section. For the belt buckle, just two lines right here in the center. And let's go ahead and draw in his pants, and then we'll draw in his arms. All right, his pants are a little bit strange here. It's gonna bulge out. I guess he's wearing shorts, I'm sorry. Okay, and then come down, just add a little angle like this. Just come in. Come back up here, just one line or one curve. And then now we'll just go up, just tuck it in. All right, and then for the details, yeah, we can finish that right now. Just two circles. This is really simple. Two lines inside. Okay, so now we can draw in the arms. Let's draw in this one first. This one's gonna be at its side. So I'm gonna start here. Here's the shoulder. Just curve all the way down, right around here to the belt area. And then right here, just a little egg shape on his side. And then now for the fist right here, I'm just gonna draw one hook. That's gonna be his thumb. Here is the back of the hand. Come down and let's tuck it up. And then let's add in one little curve here just to divide up the fingers. And let's add in the details later. Let's go ahead and finish up this hand. All right, for this one, we're gonna draw the hand first, which is just gonna be on the side right here. So just kind of draw almost like a little rounded square. So it's gonna be right behind. And then right here, just draw the little egg shape here. And then now we can draw in the arms. So I'm gonna start on the top right here. Let's go out and then come back in to right around here. Here's the armpit. So just follow whatever curve you have up top and then come back in and close everything off. All right, and then let's see for the details. Let's see, I know it's got 3 lines right here. So let's draw in one in the middle and then just 2 more on each side. And then for this one, just draw one here and then just one more on the side so we can't see the other one. All right, yeah, really like the way this character looks. All right, so now for the legs, very simple, very cartoony. He's almost like a Mickey Mouse. So we're just gonna come down. Let's go ahead and close it off first. So very skinny. Just kind of have it go out. And then again, almost like an egg shape. We'll just extend it, maybe a little bit more square. Okay, bracket. And then now for the shoes right here, continue down. On the inside, I'm gonna come down. Right here, I'm gonna start right here in the corner. I'm gonna draw one big bump here. That's gonna be the front of the shoes. And then we'll just curve this, connect that. Okay, so here's the corner right here. Start here, just one big bump. Slight curve, close it out, and then one more section here in the sole. So this one's easy, just bracket down and just follow that curve. And I think there's some details here, right? So I'm just gonna add in 2 lines. And that is it for this very cool looking tuna fish. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.